All right, everybody. TOMINO TABERNA GALLEGA. It's a mouthful, and it's going to be a belly full. I'm heading there right now for a ride and review, meeting up with the cake dealer. This is a Spanish joint, Basque food, similar to the menu that you saw at Ernesto's. I did a ride and review for Ernesto's down here. Very similar type of menu. Looking forward to it because there is a there's what they call vaca vieja, which is, you know, translates to old cow. They have vaca vieja on the menu, which is a aged old highly marbled dairy cow. It's popular in Spain. My limited interaction with that dish is good, not great. I find that they have real great aroma, but a little bit less flavor than I would like. And that's generally because the animals are raised a little different in Spain than they are here, in terms of what grains they eat, how the fat develops, how much fat develops, marbling. So, what's this guy doing? So, I mean, I'm excited. It's a 38-ounce beast, and it's only 108 bucks. That's a crazy deal. Usually something that big, and especially something that's sort of like a specialty item like that, would be a lot more money. So I'm hoping it's good. We'll see. Only one way to find out. The place is located on Grand Street, but and that's what I'm on right now. But at a certain point, Grand Street becomes a one-way, and I don't want to go the opposite way of traffic because it's like rush hour right now, although it hasn't been so bad so far, but it's rush hour and I don't want to, you know, ride dangerously. So basically what I have to do is take this as far as I can, make a left, go downtown a bit, and then take a right. And I think it's near Mulberry Street, so, you know, maybe 3 or 4 streets across. And then, so meeting the cake dealer, obviously. This is something she planned for my birthday. My birthday is this coming weekend. This is my turn. Yep, my birthday's this weekend. I'm turning 45. I'm an old man. I'm an old man pretending to be young with a BMX bike. Let's see if I can get over to Canal, because this is going to be crowded. Hester's always crowded. Go down one more to Canal. Get in the mix. Get in the mix of the craziness. Here we go. It's a roundabout way of getting over there, but it'll work. Here we go. Nice silent Tesla going by me. So I got to take a ride on Mulberry, which is just a few streets up. And then it should be right at Grant. So yeah, the menu looks good. Other than the steak, there's some other, you know, like there's potato tortilla that looks good. There's some octopus. I may be wrong, but I think gallega means pie, some sort of pie. And I think they do like a daily pie, either seafood or beef or meat. So definitely got to try that. The whole place is named TOMINO TABERNA GALLEGA, which I guess means some sort of, you know, tavern that serves pies. So got to try that. Don't know what Tomino means. I'll have to look that up. Bumpy road here, Mulberry, Little Italy. Oh no, this road's closed. I hate these little windy roads over here. Nobody's ever really driving quickly on them. So yeah, I got detoured a little bit. That road was closed and I couldn't even get around the truck that was on it. There was no space to even walk around it. So I got detoured. I'm on center now. So I just gotta go up like one street and take a right. See, this is what happens when you obey the traffic signals. Get delayed. So this is grand now. This place should be on the, I'm gonna make this turn, it should be on the left-hand side. Right here at the next street. Let's see. Next one over. Yeah. This is Mulberry coming up. Oh, this guy's opening his door. Thanks. All right, here it is. Yeah, I see they got the Spanish beer sign right in front. Tomino, Taberna Gallega. See you on the inside. Thank you. A lot to choose from. Ooh, it's dark. Cheers. So this is the octopus empanadas. Octopus and cheese. Look at this beautiful fried squid. Man. Is that what that is? Oh, yeah. These look good. Wild mushrooms, grapes, and goat cheese. This squid ink rice with squid. Looks incredible. Moss wall. always the best part. Great. So much flavor. Oh, thank you.
25.
Thank you. It looks good. All right, that was a great meal. It was huge, so full. We started off with like 4 tapas, but they were kind of large size tapas. We did like a empanada, that was the pie. The daily pie had octopus and cheese in it. That was nice. We did a mushroom dish that had well, goat cheese and sliced grapes. That was unique, really good. Then we did some mussels and some crispy squid. Both were great. The squid came on like a bed of fried zucchini, so that was like a double whammy. It was great. Then in the middle we did what they call the bomba rice, a squid ink black rice with squid in the rice and on top. Really nice. I like that a lot. Oh, what's this? Unbelievable. Then for the main course, the steak. And that was big, that was tasty. It was a little undercooked on the inside and over on the outside, but overall I really enjoyed it. Probably the best vaca vieja I've had. I really liked it. They get it from a small farm upstate, which I'm familiar with. And then dessert was like a crepe with like a raspberry cream inside with some yogurt, frozen yogurt ice cream on it, on the side. That was great too. Gave me a little birthday candle. But you know, as usual, jump out to the website for the full review, johnnyprimesteaks.com, all the pictures. Give this place a shot, it's a great deal. I'll definitely be going back again. And as always, make sure you like and subscribe, and tell your friends, tell your fucking grandma.